So guys, today is time to drive my own car. Let's do this.
Artlist.io.
Why the dog? Alright, so today is gonna be my first time to drive my own car, and I'm gonna go to Rizal, San Mateo Rizal. Alright, so let's do this. Let's go.
Artlist.io.
It's time to reverse the car, bro.
Music licensing reimagined.
So guys, that's it. I did drive my car, bro. Okay, time to pay for my car. It's my first car. All right, it's okay. Nice. All right, that's for you.
All good.
Completo.
Completo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
These are my papers for my new car. Ito yung insurance. I got my insurance. And Coche secured, bro. Coche. Car secured, bro. I got it. Kuya, thank you. Thank you, boss. No way, bro. You guys see me, bro. It's my first car, okay? It's my first time I'm gonna buy a car for myself. This is the car, bro. Feel my car, bro. This is my car, okay? Good night. Good night. Bye! Here's the key to my first car. I got a car, it's Toyota Camry. Let's go. That's my baby, bro. That's my baby, bro. That's my baby, bro. Hey! No way, bro. You guys see me, bro. It's my first car, okay? It's my first time I'm gonna buy a car for myself. This is the car, bro. Feel my car, bro. This is my car, okay? Bumili na po ako ng sarili kong kotse. Alright, so I don't have to take joyride anymore. I don't have to take train, MRT anymore. I don't have to take taxi anymore. And here's the trunk. We're gonna open the trunk. So long press. Boom, boom. Oh shit. Good night. Good night. Bye.
Original certificate of registration.
Okay, LTO.
Yeah, from the LTO.
Okay.
This one is the official receipt of the registration.
Okay.
Okay, so dapat kasama sila together every time. But don't bring this pag magta-travel ka. Just make a photocopy of this one.
Okay. Here is the original receipt and insurance, and also the what do you call it? The LTO. Yeah, receipt and everything. And this is our agreement. And
okay.
What about this? Right? Okay.
So I suggest for you to maintain the car.
Yeah.
Change the oil around October.
October. Okay. That's true.
If ever you need something, just call me.
Just call me. Sige po. It's time to pay for my first car. Yeah, I'm gonna pay right now. It's time to pay for my car. It's my first car. All right. Sige.
Nice.
All right, that's for you. Go.
Okay.
Thank you. You want to count? How much is this? 100.
All good.
Kompleto.
Kompleto.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Maraming
Thank you,
salamat.
thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are my papers for my new car. Ito yung insurance. I got my insurance. And this is the ito yung main receipt of the car. Alright? And this is my ID and the owner. At saka ito yung papel namin. That's it. So, I got my car. We're good to go. Coche secured, bro. Coche. Car secured, bro. I got it.
Udah.
So that's it, guys. I'm done for today. Did some driving today. Yeah, we're good. Feels good. Feels good driving my first car. That's it. Shit. Good night.